thank a union member for sick leave. You better thank a union member for paid leave. You better thank a union member for vacation time.
Now what, I say, what's the big idea bashing me on the noggin with a rolling pin?
It's said that 99% of politicians lose elections, and a fake accent doesn't exactly help. Hey y'all, I'm from Detroit, huh? Foghorn Leghorn, what are you doing here? Authenticity matters. You don't try to be someone you're not, because voters are going to see it. If you want to win elections, you have to focus on your message, not the accent. You be genuine, be authentic. And don't be part of the 99% who will lose. If you want to be the 1% who gets elected, then contact us at 646-249-3561 to boost your reputation and be a winner.